Welcome to Bloggin Good Food. It's James here. Today we are making flaky delicious biscuits from scratch. They are so much better than store bought and easier than you might think. Step 1. Gather your ingredients. First thing first, let's get everything ready. We will need all-purpose flour, baking powder, salt, sugar, cold butter, super important for flaky layers, cold milk. Step 2. Dry ingredients. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, salt, sugar. This creates the base of our dough. Step 3. Work the butter. Cut the cold butter into small pieces. You can use a pastry cutter or your fingers. We want pea-sized to almond-sized pieces. Work the butter into the dry ingredients until it resembles coarse crumbs. Tip: cold butter is key for those flaky layers. If your kitchen is warm, pop the dough in the fridge for a few minutes while you prepare the milk. Step 4. Add the milk. Pour in the cold milk and mix gently with a spoon or your hands. Don't worry, the dough will be wet and shaggy. That's perfectly normal. Step 5. Shape the dough. Lightly flour your counter and turn the dough out. Gently pat it into a 1-inch thick rectangle. Here's a secret for extra flakiness. Fold the dough in half, then in half again. Pat it out again, then repeat one more time. Step 6. Cut and bake. Use a biscuit cutter or a glass to cut out circles from the dough. Place them on baking sheet, leaving space for them to rise. Now pop those biscuits in the freezer for at least 20 minutes. This helps them keep their shape while baking. Step 7. Baking time. Finally preheat your oven and bake the biscuits for about 20 minutes or until golden brown. Fresh baked biscuits are the best. Let the biscuits cool slightly, then enjoy them warm with butter, jam, gravy, or everything you like. Don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes and check out our website for more baking tips.